Okay, Joe's borrowed some money from his friend at simple interest of 10%, ठीक है जी, and invested the entire amount in stocks. At the end of the first year, he repaid one fifth of the principal amount. At the end of the second year, he repaid half of the remaining principal amount. At the end of the third year, he repaid the entire remaining principal amount. At the end of the fourth year, he paid the last 3 years interest amount. ठीक है जी. As there was no principal amount left, his friend did not charge any interest in the fourth year. Okay. At the end of the fourth year, he sold out all his stocks. Later, he calculated that he gained rupees this much after paying principal and interest amounts to his friend. Yes, so he gained. He gains me, that is a profit after paying the principal and the interest amount to his friend. If his invested amount in the stocks becomes double at the end of the fourth year, how much money did he borrow? Okay, so we can take that he borrowed X. But if I do that, what will happen? This 1 by 5, this half, then all these things will become in fraction. Okay, so we can take that he borrowed. Okay, let we can take that let okay, let Joe's borrowed 5x, then that will make our calculation very easy. Let Joe's borrows 5x. Okay. Now at the end of the first year, so end of first year, he paid one fifth of the principal amount, so that is one fifth of this means what? X. What is remaining? 4x. Okay. End of second year, he paid half of the remaining amount, which is 2x. Okay. Then third year end of third year, he repaid the entire principal amount. So what was remaining? 4x he paid, 2x was left, so 2x he paid back, finish. Now at the end of the second year, okay, at the end of the second year, so if you see, he actually paid all the I mean the entire principal amount has been paid back. At the end of the first year, x, then 2x, then 2x. Okay, so 2x plus 2x is 4x, and then x is 5x. Okay, so everything has been paid back. Now it is given at the end of the fourth year. Now at the end of the fourth year, what did he do? He paid the interest. So at the end of fourth year, so what was the first year's amount? He paid x. So p, what is the rate? 0.1. Okay, so PRT by 100, because this is the interest that this principal will have at the end of I mean at the end of the fourth year. Okay. So PRT by 100. Okay. 0.10. Oh, this will be 10 because I have put 100 in the denominator. Okay, PRT by 100 plus for 2 years interest is going to be, for this one there is P R T by 100, because this 2x, okay, he is paying the second year. Okay, but what is the interest that is imposed in these 2 years? 2 into 2. This is what he paid in the first year. He didn't pay any interest, he just paid the amount. I mean the only one fifth of this principal amount, but there is an interest imposed on it as well, right? Okay, so he borrowed in the beginning of the first year 5x. So in 1 year, what is the interest imposed on this x? PRT by 100, t is time 1. What is the interest imposed on this 2x? Because this 2x is paying in the second year. So for 2 years, what is the interest imposed on it? PRT by 100. And then for this third year, PRT by 100. Okay, that's it. So this is 0.1x, 0.4x, 0.66, right? That is equals to, it is 1.1x. Okay, now what it is given at the end of the fourth uh, at the end of the fourth year he pays the last year's interest amount. So this is what he paid at the end of the fourth year. Now what is the total amount that he paid to his friend? Hmm? Total amount that he paid is 5x, he of course paid, and this interest amount also he paid. Okay, now it is given the later he calculated that he gained this much after paying the principal and the interest amount. So this is what he paid, but gain means what? He got something. He, if his invested amount in the stocks become double at the end of the fourth year, so what did he invest? 5x, because this is what he borrowed and this is what he invested, so it became double, that means 10x. So now if he sells the stocks he will get back 10x, and what he paid, 6 minus 1x. Okay, and that is equals to 97500. Okay, so okay, so of course 97500, so that is equals to, mouse pointer job baba, that is equals to 25000. Now what I need to find out? 5x. So what is 5x? 125000. So that means the answer is D.